There you go. What's going on, man? How you doing? Yeah, good. What up, man? All right, cool. It's all good. I'll give him my mic. Hop in. Here. Yo, this is how we gonna do this shit. You guys are gonna vote. When these rappers spit, if they're whack as fuck, pull them off this damn stage, man. Let them know we don't tolerate that shit. Especially me. Yeah. But if they're dope,
I'm fucking shaking, I'm shaking. Come on, Mitch. Oh, Mitch.
So yeah, you first, you second, you third. Alright? You want some more? You get a waterfall of mine, don't put your lips on it. You can get some too. Waterfall. Alright, cool. But you're free, sorry. Yeah. Alright, so when you guys hold the mic, these are pretty good mics. Just hold it up close, okay? Speak with confidence and project your voice, alright? Hop and let them know the rules of the beat. Alright, you're gonna say your name. As soon as you say your name, I'm gonna drop the beat. It's got a 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you say yourself to make way for hell. I'm even handed out shots that are laid across the conveyor belt. Alright, man, it's not easy. Alright, you ready, man? Get that shit.
Yo, my name's Mike. Yo, when it comes to rapping, bringing down my mathematicians, I gave I got the vision, on the attacking bitches, and it's back to kicking, cause no one has the vision, so it's back to kicking, the anyone who has the vision, even if you're not the vision. I see you got it, switching, but that's a given, you can talk country chicken, but I'm back to vision, and I'm glad it's written, like that's a vision, so fuck this guy, you put it with the crap, you thinking, cause you have the vision, but now I'm the vision. With me, I just want your rap like this, and I said, like, I'm only got to sing. I'm bitch, I'm gonna have to make it down. That's the thing, you got to begin. I got to try to trigger with those things. I only have to bitch, and that's it. Yeah!
The people in my country. What was that sound you made at the end? I never said Bill. Alright.
Come on, Mitchell.
Oh god, that was hilarious. Alright. Bill. You ready? Alright, man. Get that shit. State your name, he's gonna drop the beat.
Mitchell, y'all, I go by Parrot. Yeah, I could come with something written, but I'm not fuck checking. I'ma just start fucking looking. And when you me flow like this, I go so and I kick it up with a pump flow. I don't know, cause I got the drop. Fuck with my shit, you can get shot. I'm like, like a girl in the back, and she licks the spine, and then I get rid of her. She don't wanna get her, the girl's never home. You know we never kiss her, look. I can get nice and my foot comes from so damn bright. Like this, I can stand, and I got you, girl. I'm about to do the dick.
Ready to get that shit, man? Alright, go ahead. Go.
Yo, I go by Azrael.
No, you don't.
Let's do this.
No, you don't. You're not.
Once I beat you, I'll drag your body for 8 miles. Then I eat you, that'll teach you to give me your face smile. Your face fire, I need a job, but you got the crazy restoration. You nowadays is resurrection. It's AC, all A-B-L. 32 of women, no, I hope they never see jail. So what's a rap dudes claiming every last dude's women rock coats, heading up to be a female. Fucking female, I live my life on retail. Live love, bad to get numb when you see hell. And I'ma see heaven, but I'ma need heaven. And get the devil worshiping the C-section. Ready for whatever, ready for whatever. Now whatever, if you think you do better, tell me that you think what you ain't true to the letter. You never eat an enemy and shut up for Morello. I'm feeling so
Yo. Get in the order that you guys are fitting. You over here. Alright. So what you guys think of the first MC over here? Alright. The second MC. The third MC right here. Looks like it goes to you, man. You a little loud.
Just saying.
Yeah. Good shit though, everybody. Appreciate you coming up. Yo, hold on, wait, hold up. Yo, let everybody know where they can find you at. You got like a MySpace page or something like that?
Actually, I'm pretty fucking broke as shit. So if you want to find my shit, go on YouTube, type in Azrael or Christian Music 514 YouTube channel. New shit coming soon. Appreciate the love. Thank you.